I'm Ty with WTI. This is The Ordinary's ascorbic acid mixed with alpha arbutin serum.
This serum has been wonderful, and it's one of my favorite serums because the best thing about it is that it helps my skin look even and my skin feel smooth. So the serum consistency is a medium consistency that looks oily when I put it onto my hands and rub it together. But as soon as I put it on my face, it absorbs so quickly, and I have oily skin and I never have an issue with it making my skin look shiny. So I love using this serum, and I love that it comes in this small dropper bottle so that I can take it with me and continue my skincare routine on my trips. If you're looking for a nice glow, I highly recommend that you give it a try.
And that's my point of view.